Okay, come here. This is my son.
Oh boy.
Juan Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, Gabrieles Miss. My name is Rosemary. I'm also known as vivikarrina, and this is my son. Juan Gabriel is the firstborn in the house, obviously. I will be opening this box from Nurture. This is my one of the last purchases I make this month. So I will be opening this with you guys. And Juan is going to tell you what we had inside. So, we got paper, the invoice. Ta-da-da-dan, ta-dan, ta-da-da-dan, ta-dan. You don't want to see this. Okay, this is the free gift they give you when you make a purchase. This will be seen last. But what we got there?
A lot of glitter.
Yeah, a lot of glitter. Show it to the camera. Read it.
It's backwards. This is natural soap. Nurture soap. Alter ego.
This. You need to put it like that.
Okay. Like
because it's backwards. The camera is backwards.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So next, this is 4 ounces.
Yeah, it's 4 ounces. Here's another Nurture soap. Solar Storm. Also 4 ounces.
Look how pretty. They are doing a surplus. They are getting rid of this glitter, so I wanted to stock up for my future creations so I don't have to order more.
There's Vixen. Also 4 ounces. All of these are 4 ounces.
Show the color.
Oh. It's like a purple-ish.
Purple-ish.
See, purple-ish. Yeah. Another, what is this? Whiplash. Looks like a red.
That is pretty.
Like a velvet.
That would be good for Christmas.
Flirt alert. Oh, her. Seems like me. No, I'm just kidding. Pink-ish purple. Looks pretty neat.
Hello, pink.
Anyways. There's Intergalactic. I was about to say intelligence, which shows how much I have. Silver. Looks very, very neat.
Holographic.
Holographic silver.
Yeah. Show to the camera. Of course.
Okay, now I see how you do it.
Very pretty, right?
Yes. Here's Bali Bliss. It's like a blue turquoise type. Looks like the kind of water you would see at the Bahamas. Very pretty. Glitterati?
Yeah.
Glitterati?
Glitterati.
It's like
fuchsia. It's like a fuchsia.
Tree Hugger.
That one will be good for Christmas also.
Ooh.
Very pretty.
Cover Patch.
Also for Christmas is good. And for the next April.
And there's mini 1 ounce. There's 3 of them.
Open them.
Silver, natural silver.
1 ounce.
It's 1 ounce, small container. A dark rose, also 1 ounce.
That is pretty. I know a lot of people don't like glitter, but other people love glitter. My customers love glitter, so I put glitter on them, on my soaps.
There's gold.
Beautiful for Christmas.
Gold.
That will be good. Very pretty.
Also 1 ounce. And lemon chiffon. It's 4 ounces. It comes in a bag.
That was in sale, so I took advantage of sales. You know me.
Here's another 1 ounce. 4 ounces actually. It's kombu green.
Love green. Look how pretty. That will be like for camel soap.
Camel.
Yeah.
Okay. Red violet mica. Mica.
Mica.
My pronunciation is off. Comes in a black bag or
Yeah, in the back had the color. So this will be like maybe a pinky color. We will see.
raspberry red.
It's a red.
Raspberry's good.
The
Making
color
me
is
hungry.
in the back. Show the color in the back.
Oh my bad. Sunshine yellow.
Oh, the yellow is pretty. Very, very pretty. I love it.
These are 1 ounce magic moments, like this one we're having.
We're trying that one on soap. If I like it, I will order the big 4 ounces bag.
Cabin fever.
That was on sale. Love that color. Remind me of Patty from Cabin Fever Soap and Essentials.
High society.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
All of these mini packs
That
are.
match your shirt.
All of these are 1 ounce. These 3 packs.
And these are 4. And
And
we
these-
got a freebie. What we got? We got in fragrance oil.
It's Paramore.
It's a sample.
It's a sample.
Yeah, the smell.
Gummy worms.
It's okay.
Smells good. I like it.
Smell like incense.
So I thought this was gummy worms. I'm not sure, but it says.
Yes, it's candy.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
But it says. Okay, so it
They
is.
sent me candy again.
Okay, so it is candy.
Yeah, they also sent me last time. The other haul I did, they sent me this candy. I didn't record that. I didn't videotape. But they sent me this one, and now they sent me that. I cannot eat candy.
It's clearly for me. No, I'm just kidding. Gummy worms.
So
I thought
thank you
this was.
Hmm?
I thought this was an
Let me
ingredient for
see. Let me
soap.
see.
I
I won't put this in my soaps. I don't. Put,
I didn't know because it's in soap, so I miss.
I won't put candy in my soaps. No, no, thank you. But this is candy, yeah. Now they're giving candy. That's good. Well,
So it is edible.
Yeah, and they put they used to give the bags without the their name in them, but I think they put now the name on them so you don't reuse the bag for other stuff. So yeah, that happened. So we got this card. nice. Thank you. That is that. I got candy.
Keep calm.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Welcome my son. He will be in future videos sometime. He speaks better English than me. He does. Anyways, thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye bye. Blessings.
Goodbye.